Hi Xhorse fans, the Condor series now introduces the all-new horizontal key cutting machine, XC-003. As the latest generation flagship model, the XC-003 is not just an inheritance, but an evolution. It features a high-end, fully aluminum integrated casting process, greatly enhancing the overall sturdiness and extending its lifespan. The XC-003 offers two working modes, standard mode and continuous run mode. So what's the difference between these two modes? I'll turn on the light so you can see more clearly. A short press of the red button enters standard mode. At this point, pressing down the auxiliary handle to the limit locks the motor, allowing you to easily reposition the key or make other adjustments without having to frequently press the start button. This mode not only helps save on power costs, but also makes cutting safer. When you press and hold the red button for 2 seconds, the machine switches to continuous run mode. In this mode, the motor runs continuously, regardless of the handle position. This mode can be used with a grinding wheel to polish the rough edges after cutting the key. The XC-003 is equipped with a high-quality, four-sided rotating clamp that easily secures a variety of external keys, including automotive and residential keys. The four sides, labeled A, B, C, and D, each support different types of keys. You can use this image to select the clamping side. It's also available as a sticker on the machine for easy reference at any time. The auxiliary clamp is on the left side, and the main clamp is on the right side. When in use, ensure that both clamps are set to the same side. Next, let's briefly go over the key alignment methods. Typically, we use the head alignment method and the shoulder alignment method. Head alignment method, you'll need the key positioning plate. Insert the positioning plate into the slot. Align the key with the plate, and then tighten the clamp. Shoulder alignment method, first, secure the original key in the auxiliary clamp. Align the shoulder with the positioning plate, and then align the blank key. Tighten the clamp, and then remove the plate. Additionally, the XC-003 comes standard with 2 types of through needles. If you encounter a key that cannot be fully cut, you can use the through needle to adjust the clamping size or depth to ensure precise processing. Next, let's take a look at the primary and auxiliary handles. The primary handle controls the horizontal movement of the clamp with a 15mm stroke, while the auxiliary handle controls the vertical feed. Both handles operate smoothly, providing a more comfortable key cutting experience. Finally, let's introduce the micro adjustment mechanism. Before shipping, every machine undergoes strict calibration, so it's ready to use right out of the box. In rare cases where you notice any deviation, you can make adjustments using the following method. First, rotate the primary and auxiliary clamps to the A side. Ensure that the B corner of the key positioning plate is snug against the clamp and then tighten it. Align the cutter disc with the V-groove on the positioning plate. Rotate the micro adjustment dial so that the key cutting guide just aligns with the V-groove. Turning the dial 1 notch moves the key cutting guide 0.0 to millimeters forward or backward. That's for vertical adjustment. If the key cutting guide cannot fit into the V-groove, you'll need to adjust the mechanism horizontally. For further details, refer to the user manual. Choose the Condor XC-003 for an unparalleled key cutting experience.